So the next kind of spiritual meaning we're supposed to tie with this coronavirus is that we are supposed to recognize our weakness before Allah Azza wa Jal. Recognize your weakness before Allah. Humble yourself and know that you are weak. Do not be arrogant. And don't say things like how we hear governments today. We're winning the war against this virus. War, you're with Allah in a war. These are words of arrogance. Rather, ask Allah Azza wa Jal by His mercy, by His favor, by His grace, that He remove this virus away from this world. Ask Him by His mercy, not we're winning the war. These are words, these are arrogant words. Humble yourself, because the believer is weak. Rather, the entire world is weak in front of something that cannot even be seen by the naked eye. Allahu Akbar. And look at the case of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. When he first arrived to Al-Madinah after the Hijrah, there was a disease that was spreading in Al-Madinah. Some were dying from this disease. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu got affected and he became so sick that he didn't know what he was saying. He was mumbling words, he didn't know what he was saying. That's how sick he became. So when Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he made a dua and he said, "Oh Allah, remove this disease, this sickness from Al-Madinah." So Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam saw in his dream a black woman that was old and she was moving away from Al-Madinah. And he interpreted that dream as being the sickness, the disease that will move away from Medina, and it finally ended in a place known as Al-Juhfa. You see how Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam dealt with a virus that had become widespread in Al-Madinah, not with arrogance. Are we going to fight it? Are we going to win the fight? And we're in this together? No, none of this. He made a humble dua to Allah. Oh Allah, move this virus away from Al-Madinah. Allah Azza wa Jal, in seconds, He removed it. Overnight, they got up and it was gone. Allahu Akbar. But human beings, I tell you, yet to humble themselves before the power of Allah Azza wa Jal. They are yet to acknowledge and recognize their weakness before the greatness and the supreme and the grandness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.